The world's tallest broadcasting tower, Tokyo Skytree. And the Tokyo Gate Bridge at the entrance to the port of Tokyo. Both are key landmarks built with high-strength steel and state-of-the-art welding technologies. A key technology that supports many forms of industry, welding. Kobe Steel's welding business offers a diverse range of products and services as a global welding manufacturer, from welding consumables to independently developed welding systems that combine welding robots with power sources. We are a welding solutions company active across the globe. Kobe Steel's material business includes iron and steel, welding, and aluminum and copper products. Our machinery business includes industrial and construction machinery, as well as natural resources and engineering. Our third core area is the wholesale power supply business. These are the three distinctive areas in which Kobe Steel does business. For 70 years, we have been a leader in the welding industry. We supply welding consumables suitable for a wide range of steels and the environments in which they're used, and have developed original welding processes. Our systems play a significant role in automating production. Kobe Steel's welding consumables are produced under rigorous standards and are famous for their stable, high quality, available in approximately 800 kinds. At our domestic production bases, we manufacture covered electrodes, solid wire, flux cord wire, including for stainless steel, TIG welding rod, and other distinctive products. We have been expanding our manufacturing bases outside of Japan and are building a worldwide supply base network that offers the same high-quality products in every location. At present, we have 8 manufacturing bases, 4 sales bases, and 1 technical collaboration partner outside of Japan. The shipbuilding industry in China is developing at a remarkable pace. Here too, Kobe Steel welding systems contribute to automation and the improvement of quality. We not only manufacture welding consumables, but are constantly developing better welding technologies. We are an industry leader in welding automation, as in most every aspect of welding. Basic research supports product development. Kobe Steel studies the physical properties of the welding arc, the melting and solidifying of welded metals, raw materials, and system control technologies to develop new and better welding consumables, processes, and welding systems. For efficient fabrication in long hull blocks in shipbuilding, we developed one-sided submerged arc welding, FCB, and RF processes. And for horizontal fillet welding of primer-coated steel plates in shipbuilding and bridge fabrication, our automatic welding systems employ the TreeFarc process. The TreeFarc process is a high-speed horizontal fillet welding process that uses 3 electrodes in tandem to weld at a rate of 2 meters per minute. It is also being used for built-up longitudinal beams. In addition, for vertical welding joints in ship hulls, bridges, and storage tanks, DW100V flux cord wire was developed for improved efficiency. All our flux cord wires are low spatter, low fume, and have superb slag removability, thereby helping to improve the working environment during welding. Kobe Steel's ArcMan welding robot systems offer solutions to various welding issues faced by customers for diverse applications. To adopt the use of robots, the work environment needs to be studied from various angles. Let's take a look at some examples of how robots can be used effectively. This is a 2-arc welding robot system we developed for welding steel columns. 2 robots are synchronized to work in tandem on different root gaps to double welding productivity. This is our hanging multifunction welding system. It offers great flexibility with a single robot that is able to work on different members such as steel columns, joints, and shafts. In the area of construction machinery, our tandem arc welding robot system greatly boosts operating efficiency. Our 8-electrode panel welding robot system enables highly efficient bridge construction. Conventional CO2 gas-shielded arc welding offers efficient welding. It is a low-cost welding process as it does not use argon or other expensive gases, but has the drawback of generating a lot of spatter. For use with CO2 gas-shielded arc welding, we developed the RegArc welding process that features extremely low spatter and low fumes with a high weld deposition rate. RegArc is one of the welding modes built into the newly developed SenseArc AB500 digital welding power source. Low spatter is achieved through the use of our new MG56RN solid wire. A high-speed camera was used to observe droplet transfer using conventional methods. When the welding current was increased, the large droplets became globules and transferred irregularly, significantly increasing spatter. In contrast, the droplet transfer using RegArc welding is regulated by an optimal pulse current, thereby producing droplets of uniform size that transfer properly. This can be seen clearly just by looking at the spatter that adheres to the nozzle. To resolve issues in welding faced by customers with our welding consumables and systems, we set up a customer support group to further strengthen the technical service that we can provide. As we expand our supply base for the trusted Kobelco brand worldwide, we aim to develop new welding consumables, processes, and new welding robots and power sources to help improve manufacturing through top-notch welding solutions. Kobe Steel's welding business is Japan's top welding manufacturer, and we aim to attain a leading position globally by providing the world's most dependable welding solutions.